Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we will start week 3. In this week we will start chapter number 2, multiplication and division. I have given you schedule for week 3 and we will follow workbook 4A. I have mentioned pages for classwork and homework. So full week we will follow this schedule. Work is given for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. You will complete your work. You will take picture. Do upload picture on Google Classroom. And at the end of the week you will revise whole chapter. First let's see recap. In recap you will revise previous chapter. In this week, in third week we are going to start chapter number 2. So in first 2 weeks we have done chapter number 1. So here you will revise chapter number 1. You will revise all these topics: comparing and ordering numbers, number pattern, rounding numbers and Roman numerals. You will revise all these concepts and you will make yourself ready for spot test. Now let's see what are the focus topics. Lessons objectives. By the end of the lesson you should know about the concept of factors, the concept of multiples and the concept of multiplying by a one-digit number. So one by one we will see all the concepts and we will see how to solve problem of all the concepts. Let's start from first objective of week 3, the concept of factors. First we will see the definition of factors. Factors are the number that are multiplied to get a given number, or in other way, factors are those numbers through which you can divide the given number till the end. And for bigger number, divide them in your rough column starting with number 2. Now let's see the example of factors, how we will write factors. So question is, what are the factors of 12? We will see which two numbers we will multiply, 12 will come, and we will start from 1. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. This is our first pair. Now check in 2 times table 12 is coming or not. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. In 4 times table 4 3s are 12. We will write 3 pairs only. 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12 and 3 4s are. If we will write 4 3s are, so it will be repetition. We will stop till here, till 3 pairs, and then we will write factors. Now look at the way how we will write factors. Make a arrow in this way. First make arrow down and then you will move from down to up. So factor will be in order from least to the greatest. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Now one question is in factors, how to write common factors or how to find common factors. To find common factors, what we will do, we need two numbers. First thing is, write the factors of both numbers given. And the second step is, circle the common numbers in all the factors of both the numbers. It is easy to find. You will write the factors of both the numbers and then you will circle the common numbers. In this way you will find common factors. Multiples. First let's see the definition of multiples. The multiples of a number is obtained by multiplying it with another number. Let's see how we will find. Example, what are the first 4 multiples of 12? Basically what we will do, we will write the table of 12 and answer will be multiple. See, 12 into 1, 12, 12 into 2, 24. First multiple is 12, second multiple is 24. 12 into 3, 36. 12 into 4, 48. So third multiple is 36 and fourth multiple is 48. If they will ask for fifth multiple, so 12 into 5 is equal to 60. So what will be the fifth multiple? 60. See here, the first four multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36 and 48. Now we will find common multiples as we found common factors. For common multiples, again we need two numbers. First thing is, you will write the multiple both the numbers given, and then what you will do in second step, circle the common number in all the multiples of both the number. In this way, you will do your classwork and homework pages. Let's see how to find common multiples in detail with the help of example. A common multiples is a number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. To find common multiples of two or more numbers, follow these steps. What are the steps? Look at the first step. Make a list of multiples for each number. Second step is, continue your list until at least two multiples are common to all lists. Third one is, identify the common multiples. Look at the example. We will find multiples of 6 and 8, and then we will find the common multiples of 6 and 8. First thing is, list the multiples of 6. Look at here, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. These are the multiples of 6. Same way you will list the multiples of 8, 16 and so on. Now what you will do, you will find common multiples, or what numbers are multiples of 6 and 8. Look at here, which numbers are common? 24. First common multiple is 24 and the second common multiple is 48. First is 24 and second is 48. You will circle the common multiples and then you will write the common multiples. In this way, you will do your work on workbook 4A. Let's see video of factors and multiples.
Today, let us revise factors and multiples. Let us start with factors. What do we mean by a factor? A factor of a number divides that number exactly. Let us look at an example. Find the factors of 58. The first pair is 1 into 58 is equal to 58. Here, when we divide 58 by 1, we get the quotient as 58. And when we divide 58 by 58, we get the quotient as 1. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Thus, it means that 58 is divisible by 1 and 58. The second pair of numbers which gives the product 58 is 2 into 29. Thus, the factors of 58 are 1, 2, 29 and 58. Let us solve one more example. Find the factors of 81. The pairs of numbers which give the product 81 are 1 into 81 is equal to 81. 3 into 27 is equal to 81. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Thus, the factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81, as each of these numbers divides 81 exactly. Did you notice we counted the repeated factor only once? Remember, every number has 1 as a factor. Every number is a factor of itself. Thus, every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. 1 and the number itself. The factor of a number is always equal to or less than the number. Now, let us look at multiples. A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the number is multiplied by the same or any other number. Let us find the multiples of 12. It is easy. When we multiply 12 by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on, we get 0, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on as the products. So here the products obtained are nothing else but the multiples of 12. Let us look at another example. Find the multiples of 19. When we multiply 19 by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on, we get 0, 19, 38, 57, 76, 95, 114, 133, 152, 171, 190 and so on. Thus, the multiples of 19 are 0, 19, 38, 57, 76, 95, 114, 133, 152, 171, 190 and so on. Remember, a number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every multiple of a given number is equal to or greater than the number itself. Every number has an infinite number of multiples. 0 is a multiple of every number, but 0 is not a factor of any number except 0. Revising factors and multiples was fun.
Let's see how to do classwork and homework pages of Monday and Tuesday. Look at Monday's work. Classwork, do page number 27 and 28 of 4A. homework is do page number 53 of 4A plus revise 8 times table. Tables you will revise every day. First come on homework page. Homework page is 53. Question number 1 is find all the factors of the following numbers, and numbers are 72 and 96. You will find the factors of 72 and 96. Question number 2 is what are the common factors of 27 and 81? First you will find the factors and then you will find the common factor. You will circle the common numbers. This page you will do, and both the concept we have done in last slide. Now come on the classwork pages. Do page number 27. Come on page number 27. Find the factors. Look at here number. Number is 9. You can count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total faces are 9. So number is 9. We will start writing factors of 9. First pair will be 1 into 9 is equal to 9. 9 can divide it exactly by 1 and 9 can divide it exactly by 8. Second pair will be, check 9 is coming in 2 times table. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 9 is not coming. So now move towards 3 times table. 3 into 3, 9. 3 3s are 9. So look at the picture. How many rows are here? 1, 2, 3. How many faces in each row? 1, 2, 3. 3 into 3. Now we will write factors of 9. So the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. One thing more, we will write factor from least to the greatest. 1, 3, 9. If pair will be in this way, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 4. So you will write number 1 time. Like here pair is 3 into 3. So I will not write 3 2 times. I will write 3 only 1 time. Right? Okay. Now let's see page number 28. Look at page number 28. Question number 2 is find all the factors of the following numbers. First number A part is 18. Now you will find the factors of 18. 1 18s are 18. 2 how many times 18? 2 9s are 18. 3 how many times 18? 3 6 are. These are the factors. Make arrows and then write down factor from least to the greatest. So factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. In this way you will find factors. Now look at here B part. Find the factors of 14. As you found factors of 18, in same way you will find factors of 14. Like you will see 1 how many times 14? 1 14s are 14. 2 how many times 14? 2 7s are 14. In 3 times table 14 is coming? No. In 4 times table 40 is coming? No. So factors are 1, 2, 7 and 14. In this way you will do page number 28, 29 and 30 as well. I hope it's clear. Wednesday work, classwork is do page number 31 and 32 of 4A and homework is to page number 33 and 54 of 4A. Plus revise 8 times table. Look at page number 31. Question is list the first 12 multiples of the number given. Now what you will do, you will write first 12 multiples. So look at the first part. First part is 3. You will write multiples of 3. You will actually write the answer of 3 times table. How you will write? Like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and 36. You will write 12 times 3 times table till 12 and you will write just answer. Now look at the B part 5. Again you will write down the answer of 5 times table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. In same way you will do C part. Now come on page number 32. Question number 5. List the first 12 multiples of each number and fill in the blanks. First you will write list the multiples of 3 and then multiples of 4 till 12. You will write multiples, first 12 multiples. You will not write first 10 multiples. How many multiples you will write? First 12 multiples. Okay. First you will find multiples of 3. Write on multiples of 3. Then write on multiples of 4. And then you will find common multiples. Now look at the third statement. The first two common multiples of 3 and 4 are, you will write the multiples of 3, you will write the multiples of 4, and then you will circle the common multiples. And in these two blanks, you will write first two common multiples. In this way, you will do page number 33 and 54. Let's see third and last objective of this week. The concept of multiplying by a one-digit number. Multiplication. First we will see the definition. In multiplication, the number you multiply are called factors and the answer is called the product. In word problem, what you are doing, you are multiplying factor with factor and answer will come in the form of product. Let's see example. First we will do example one digit by one digit multiplication. See, one digit 6, we are multiplying with one digit 9. 6 nines are 54. It's a simple question. Now we will see how we will do two digit by one digit multiplication. Look at here question. 32, two digits, and by one digit 3. Now we will see how to do multiplication. First what you will do, multiply the ones by 3. Multiply the ones by 3. 3 twos are 6. Now in second step what we will do, multiply the tens by 3. 3 threes are 9. So answer will be 9. Let's see other example. In this example, you can see there is no carry. Now let's see other example how to do. Question is 67 into 3. Again, what we will do, we will start multiplying the ones by 3. 3 sevens are 21. We will not write 21 down. What we will do, under ones place, we will write ones. In 21, 1 is coming in ones place, so we will just write 1. And 2 will go as carry, because 2 was on tens place. Now, what we will do, multiply the tens by 3. So, which number is on tens place? 6. 3 6 are 18. Plus 2, carry we will add, plus 2, 20. So, answer will be 201. So, now you will see classwork and homework pages. And in classwork and homework pages, you will do two digits by one digit multiplication. Work for Thursday. Classwork do page number 35 and 36 of 4A. And the homework is do page number 37 and 38 of 4A. Plus revise 9 times table. And at the end of the week, what you will do, you will revise chapter number 2 till page number 38. Okay, now let's see page number 35. Multiplying by a one digit number. Question is multiply. Look at the question part A. 3, 2, 1. 3 digits are here. We are multiplying 3 digit by one digit number with 9. What we will do now, we will multiply the ones by 9. 9 ones are 9. Then multiply the tens by 9. 9 twos are 18. 8 will be down and 1 will go as carry. And then multiply the hundreds by 9. 9 threes are 27 plus 1 carry 28. So answer will be 2889. In this way you will complete your classwork and homework pages. I hope your concept is clear. If you will face any problem while doing your work, write down your problem on the notebook. So problem we will discuss in Zoom class. That's all from my side. Allah Hafiz.